Good evening, everybody. My name is Luca Beltrame and I am president of Lucedentro, a research and development company based in Modena, Italy. We study photoluminescence and its practical applications. Before I start, I need to thank the Matera's Light Academy in the person of Mino Dell'Omo for inviting me to speak in this amazing and historical location. I also need to thank the Italian company Tempotest for helping us make a photoluminescent triangular sail with their textile. What is photoluminescence? Photoluminescence is the property of some latest generation phosphors that can store solar or electrical light and give it back in the dark for a period of 9 hours in a variety of colors. These phosphors are not toxic or radioactive and are REACH certified, which basically means they are safe to use to make industrial products. Let me make immediately clear that this light cannot compete in lumens with electrical light. When fully charged, photoluminescence expresses 4.5 candles per square meter. Then you may ask, why bother with a low energy light? Well, there are 3 reasons. First, it is a light that renews itself indefinitely in time. Second, it is a clean source of energy that does not emit any CO2. Third, we think there is something emotional and mysterious about a light that refuses to die in the dark. The next question is, what can we do with it? Well, these minerals can be incorporated in many industrial processes. Just to mention a few: all plastic, glass, ceramic, papers, textiles, paint, resin, and some more. You see, using these supports at Lucedentro, we have identified 3 main fields of application for these pigments: architecture and design, security, and energy savings. In almost 10 years of activity, Lucedentro has chosen to work with many academic institutions, such as University of Pforzheim in Germany, the Industrial Design School of Architecture in Florence, the Milan Polytechnic, University of Tor Vergata in Rome, and the Material Engineering Department of Modena University. The objective was to understand how far we could push luminescent applications through different ideas contaminations. As a result, we are not thinking anymore about luminescent products. We are now thinking in terms of photoluminescent systems. Why? Because now we have learned how to control luminescence, natural curves of decay, to our favor, simply by using a bit of energy and a very basic control system. In this way, we can keep luminescence always within its maximum range, which actually means 90% of energy savings. Or we can let luminescent decay up to a point, then slowly recharge it again, creating what we'd like to call a luminous breath, improving therefore the emotional experience. I would like now to project on the screen a few pictures and video on the belief that images can speak better than 1,000 words. Thank you for your attention. This picture shows a photoluminescent fabric from which you can build emotional tents, gazebos on seaside terraces or gardens. This here was one of the first applications made by Lucedentro. This glass mosaic can be used to enhance emotion on bath tubes, walls, swimming pools and spas. Here we are in Japan, in the park of Ryoanji in Kyoto. This photoluminescent path, made with glass pebbles by Lucedentro, was done in 2009, and it was designed by Zen master Genjo-san. This is another view of the same application. And another one. This work was done using Lucedentro technology in Cornwall, UK in 2010. To the best of my knowledge, this was the first work where glass pebbles were incorporated into concrete surfaces. A close-up view of the same work. Finally, I would like to show you this video shot in the Netherlands in 2015 by well-known architect studio Rosengarten.
It's just like we're laying on a starry night.